नमस्कार बंधुगण, आज के আমরা BHU MA/MSc জিওগ্রাফি এন্ট্রান্স এক্সাম 2014 সালের কোশ্চেনগুলি সম্বন্ধে আলোচনা করব। এখানে পার্ট 4 এর 76 নম্বর কোশ্চেন থেকে আলোচনা করা যাক। The largest importer of rice in the world is Thailand. Which one of the following archulor has divided the world into major agriculture region? Major agriculture region. Wheatley. The agriculture location theory, the concept of isolate state was pronounced by von Thunen. Which one of the following country is well known for aircraft industry? Russia. Which country has the dense network in terms of per million people? India. The body monitoring international trade is known as WTO, World Trade Organization. Which one of the Great Lake in Wholly within United States of America? This lake is Michigan. Black were originally bought into United States as slave. The tallest peak of Japan is Mount Fuji. Which is Tokyo port is Yokohama. In Japan, wheat is grown in northern Huns. The first railway was built in Japan in the year 1872. How much area do forests occupy in China? 20 to 30. Most of fisher in China is marine fisher. Most of the population in China is concentrated in eastern half. Most of the black people in Brazil come from Africa. The maximum percentage of arable land in Brazil is coffee. Brazil happened to be the place of origin of rubber. The southmost point of India, Indira Point. Sri Lanka is separated from India by narrow channel of area formed by Pork Strait and Gulf Stream. Answer is both 1 and 2. नमस्कार, थैंक यू।